I think we made the first one ever doing this, but Hazbin Hotel Characters in an airport. This person gets lost in the airport, somehow on the ground level. Oh, poor Husk. This person refuses to pay the oversized baggage fee. Because he doesn't think he's meant to do that. Who buys their tickets last minute at the gate? I mean, at the counter. Charlie, you gotta buy them in advance, Charlie. All right, well, Charlie's going on a trip with this person. Aw, it's like what kind of infernal trip is this? Who trips on the escalator going up to the security? Oh, babe. Oh, God. Did he get its coattails caught in the escalator? Or just rip it right off? Like hell. Who argues with the TSA agent? Of course, because he doesn't want to go. He's like, help me. Charlie, this absolute farce is quite enough. Let me go home. No, Alice, this trip is supposed to help us bond. This is the most silliest thing I've ever heard in my life, Charlie. Um, packed a contraband item in their bag. Or Angel Explorer. Who unknowingly packed a contraband item? Fox, because Fox. This person got randomly patted down. I wouldn't say randomly. This person was completely compliant with TSA agents. Oh, Vox, surely MVP, high five. Who gets their TSA with no problem at all? Husk. Good job, Husk. High five. And who requests a private screening? Because they're uncomfortable. Do we get a public? Yeah. Yeah, definitely. And probably she has to explain why she's carrying an angelic spear on her back. So for the flight, who goes and gets their food? Nifty. Of course she does. And she skittles around like a little gremlin, and she gets everybody's food quite meticulously. Who is in the bathroom until the last minute when their plane's about to leave? Because he doesn't want to leave. All signs point to Alistair wanting to stay. Who wanted to be pre-boarded? Because he's anxious. They get it. Who was a part of first class? Of course. Did Velvet go with anybody? Of course. And who was in the business class? Seating. Oh, the way that they're split. Uh, is there anyone else in the business class? Oh, that's Malika's like, who was an airline diamond medallion member? Of course, that's why she's making Alistair go. She's like, we need the miles, Alistair. And he's like, but Charlie, I thought we were doing this for flight, for friendship. And she's like, no. So, I'm kidding. Although she probably wants a free trip too. Um, well, on the airplane, who falls asleep? Who watches an in-flight movie? With angel dust? Who watches an in-flight TV show? Well, the guy's screening for his last. Um, who gets an allergic reaction from a snack in the snack cart? Who saves Alistair's life? Alistair must be in first class too. Cause otherwise you wouldn't care. Who got apple juice in a champagne glass? Husk. Cause he couldn't have alcohol. Who is talking the ear off of their passenger neighbor? But if they were taking a nap, who is Nifty tucking their ear off to? Husk. Makes sense they've been sit together. Who keeps bucking the flight attendant with all these questions? Who is scared of the turbulence? Who is excited for the turbulence? Like they're like, ooh, bumpy. Because it's chaos. Who is in the bathroom when turbulence happens? Oh dear. I was at the bathroom once when turbulence was happening, and I almost ran to the toilet. Um, who reclines their seat back? Who is the unfortunate person behind Vaggie? Vaggie. Who is the unfortunate man? Vaggie? Oh no, subangels. Who was just looking at the in-flight tracker map? And who brought their switch? Who brought their electronics with them? Because who knows that the airplane implemented entertainment wasn't gonna do it for him. Who brought fidget toys? Of course, the punches. High five. Who got sat next to a kid? Oh god, it's felt like for Alistair. Who had an allergic reaction while the kid just stared at the ground? This person actually surprisingly had a peaceful flight. And this person had the worst flight of their lives. Also, so did Alistair, really. Now, when they disembark, who trips on the get off the airplane? Of course, who goes on the moving sidewalks? Because he wants to get the fuck out of there. Who trips going down the escalator? He. Um, who struggles to get baggage off the baggage claim conveyor belt? Stab box your velvet help. Who struggles to rent a car? Because she's a fucking Karen. Who has no trouble renting a car? Who takes an Uber? What's just like, I'm not doing this shit. All right, so Virgin, the Beast took an Uber. Who does a courtesy shuttle, a shuttle that runs with the hotels? So the hotel cast goes by courtesy shuttle. Fun Nuggets gets a rental car with Angel. The Beast take an Uber, and Katie Killjoy and Tom Trench do not get a car. They just walk. Who loses their bags on the airplane? Lost baggage. Oh, who actually is missing something important from their bag? Oh god, they get entire hotel. Who had problems with the gate agent regarding that? Of course. And yeah, that was it. Charlie had a good trip, but Alistair did not. It was horrible for him.